Good morning, students of class 3. Students, I'm sure all of you are fit and fine. Students, please stay indoor and keep yourself healthy. Students, in my last video, I had read and explained lesson 2, The Inauspicious Justice of Wordsworth English Reader. And today also, I'm going to continue with lesson 2. First of all, I'm going to revise the word meanings, meaning of phrases, read the lesson once again for you, and then I'll be starting with comprehension exercise. So all of you, please take out your English notebook and your Wordsworth English Reader book. Turn the page to page number 14. Students, please take out your English notebook and your Wordsworth English Reader book. Turn the page to page number 14, lesson 2, The Inauspicious Justice. Students, first of all, I'm going to revise the word meanings for you. So please listen to me carefully. The first word is hawker, and hawker means seller. The second word is unfortunately, unfortunately, sadly. The third word is courtiers, courtiers, advisors. The fourth word is dejected, means sad. Fifth word is progressed, and the meaning means continued. The sixth word is quarreled, and the meaning is fought, F-O-U-G-H-T, fought. Fought is the past tense of fight. Then the seventh word is tantrum. Tantrum means display of bad temper. Tantrum, display of bad temper. Then the eighth word is convinced. Convinced, to be very sure. Convinced means to be very sure. Then the ninth word is inauspicious. Inauspicious means unfortunate. Inauspicious, unfortunate, unlucky. Then the 10th word is gallows. Gallows, a structure where people are killed by hanging. Gallows is a structure where people are killed by hanging. Then the 11th word is executioner. Executioner, hangman. Executioner, hangman. Then the 12th word is proclamation. Proclamation means public announcement. Proclamation, public announcement. The 13th word is unique, and unique means one of a kind. Unique, one of a kind. Then the 14th word is innocent. Innocent, not guilty. Innocent, not guilty. And the last word is injustice, meaning unfair act. Now, besides these 15 word meaning, students, there are some phrases also given. There are 5 phrases in the chapter, and I'm going to revise those phrases. The first one is conduct his affairs, which means do his work. Conduct his affairs, do his work. The second is things came to a head, which means a situation becoming very bad. Things came to a head. That means a situation becoming very bad. Third phrase is sentenced him to death, which means punish someone by being killed. Punish someone by being killed. Then the fourth phrase is send for the hawker, which means ask the hawker to come. Send for the hawker, ask the hawker to come. And the last phrase is opening his eyes, which means to make a person realize his or her mistake. Opening his eyes means to make a person realize his or her mistake. Now, students, I'm going to read the lesson once again for you, and then I'm going to start with exercise A of comprehension. So please listen to me as I read lesson 2, page number 14, The Inauspicious Justice. Please listen to me carefully. One morning, when Emperor Akbar was looking out of his window, he saw a hawker pushing his loaded cart. The hawker, on noticing the emperor, quickly bowed his head and then went on his way. Akbar did not pay any attention to him and proceeded for his daily bath. On completing his bath, he unfortunately tripped and fell down. He was in great pain. with a swollen ankle and had to be held back to rest. He had to miss an important meeting with his courtiers. He decided to conduct his affairs from home and enjoy the company of his trusted courtier Birbal. However, unfortunately, Birbal had also decided to take that day off and hence could not be contacted. Feeling dejected, Akbar asked for something to drink. However, before he could even take a sip, a fly fell into his juice. Thus, Akbar remained thirsty. Some time later, Emperor Akbar got the news that his wife's brother had been hurt in an accident and that she had rushed to see him. As the day progressed, he felt quite lonely and nothing seemed to work right. Things came to a head in the evening when he quarreled with his wife and threw a tantrum at all his helpers. Tired and upset, he went to bed and wondered why he had had such a bad day. That's when he suddenly remembered seeing the hawker. He was soon convinced that the inauspicious face of the hawker had been the cause of his trouble. The next day, he called for a meeting. He ordered his men to search for the hawker and sentence him to death. The poor hawker, surprised and shocked at being sent to the gallows, begged for a meeting with Birbal before being hanged. Birbal came to meet him. Soon the day of his hanging arrived and the executioner asked him his last wish. The hawker said that he wished to make a proclamation to the people of the city. He wished to warn them not to see the emperor's face early in the morning or else they would be sentenced to the gallows just like him. The executioner was surprised at this unique request and informed Emperor Akbar about the hawker's proclamation. Akbar immediately sent for the hawker. The courtiers were surprised to see him free the hawker and gave him a bag of gold coins. Akbar had realized that this proclamation could only have been thought out by Birbal. He immediately thanked him for preventing an innocent person's hanging and also opening his eyes to the injustice of his order. So students, this was the reading of lesson 2, the inauspicious justice. And now I'm going to start with exercise A of comprehension. Students, there is a word in the last paragraph, third line, preventing. Preventing means to stop, rokna. Preventing means to stop. Fine, this is also a new word for you. Prevent karna matlab rokna. And Birbal had prevented Akbar from making an innocent person be hanged. So, now I'll start with exercise A of comprehension. That is rearrange the following sentences in the correct order of the events as they happen in the story. अब बेटा यहाँ पे 8 sentences दिए हुए हैं. जिनका सीक्वेंस गलत है और हमको उन 8 सेंटेंसेस को करेक्ट ऑर्डर में लिखना है. सो दिस एक्सरसाइज हैज टू बी डन इन योर इंग्लिश नोटबुक. ये एक्सरसाइज आप इंग्लिश नोटबुक में करेंगे एंड उसी ऑर्डर में करेंगे जिस ऑर्डर में मैं करेक्ट ऑर्डर में बोर्ड पे आपको लिखवाऊंगी. यू विल राइट द सेम ऑर्डर इन योर नोटबुक. फाइन. पहले आई एम गोइंग टू रीड द ऑर्डर विच इज गिवन इन द बुक. The first one is Akbar quarreled with his wife. Second, he tripped and fell down and had to stay at home. Third, Emperor Akbar saw a hawker with a cart loaded with goods. Fourth, a fly fell into his juice, so Akbar remained thirsty. Fifth, his wife's brother met with an accident. Sixth, Birbal had also taken the day off and Akbar felt very dejected. Seventh, he sent the hawker to the gallows. Eighth, the emperor wondered why he had had such a bad day. तो इनको हमें करेक्ट सीक्वेंस में लिखना है. तो बेटा फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में कौन सा वाला सेंटेंस आएगा? अगर हम स्टोरी अभी हमने रीड की तो फर्स्ट में आएगा थर्ड वाला. थर्ड सेंटेंस जो है वो हम फर्स्ट में लिखेंगे. क्लियर? एंड व्हाट इज द थर्ड सेंटेंस? एम्परर Akbar. Please start writing in your notebook, students. सब इसको नोटबुक में लिखेंगे. Clear? Emperor Akbar saw a hawker. Emperor Akbar saw a hawker with a cart loaded with goods. थर्ड वाला सेंटेंस जो है आपके फर्स्ट नंबर पे आएगा. सो ऑल ऑफ यू राइट दी थर्ड सेंटेंस. फर्स्ट वाले नंबर पे कौन सा सेंटेंस आएगा? थर्ड, है ना. स्टोरी में सबसे पहले Emperor Akbar, when he saw out of his window, what did he see? He saw a hawker with a cart loaded with goods. The hawker, he was pushing his loaded carts, isn't it? So that's what Akbar had seen. So this will be the first sentence. Third वाला sentence आपका कौन सा रहेगा बेटा? First number पे. So सब first कौन सा लिखेंगे? The third sentence. Then after the third one, what happened? Second number पे second ही आएगा. He tripped and fell down. He tripped and fell down and had to stay at home. सेकेंड सेंटेंस में सेकेंड वाला ही आएगा. He tripped and fell down and had to stay at home. After he saw the hawker, he went for his bath, and after completing his bath, what happened? He tripped and fell down and his ankle had swollen. He was in great pain, है ना? So he tripped and fell down and had to stay at home. That day he had to attend an important meeting with the courtiers, but he had to miss the meeting. Why? Because he was in pain. He couldn't move alone. So second वाले में कौन सा आएगा? He tripped and fell down and had to stay at home. Second sentence में बेटा second वाला ही आएगा. Now let's see third number पे कौन सा आएगा? Now then he thought कि he would enjoy the company of his most trusted courtier Birbal. क्या हुआ? But what had happened? Sixth वाला आएगा. Now after second you write the sixth one. कौन सा लिखेंगे बेटा? 6th, and that is Birbal had also taken the day off. OFF off means बीरबल ने भी उस दिन छुट्टी ले रखी थी. Fine. Day off, and Akbar felt very dejected. And Akbar felt very dejected. What do you mean by dejected? Sad. And Akbar felt very dejected. बीरबल ने भी छुट्टी ले रखी थी, so he could not be contacted. So Akbar felt very dejected. Fine. Now अब देखिए fourth sentence कौन सा होगा? Now the fourth one. Then Akbar had asked something to drink. अकबर ने कुछ पीने के लिए मांगा. So fourth में fourth ही sentence रहेगा, है ना? Fourth में fourth ही रहेगा, and that is a fly fell into his juice. A fly fell into his juice. So what had happened? Akbar remained thirsty. So Akbar remained thirsty. So Akbar remained thirsty. है ना? Now let's look at the sequence. सबसे first third वाला sentence आएगा. That is Emperor Akbar saw a hawker with a cart loaded with goods. Cart मैंने क्या बताया था? जो ठेला, सामान से भरा हुआ ठेला. कोई भी चीज उस पर सामान लगा हुआ है तो उसको हम loaded with goods बोलेंगे. Cart means ठेला गाड़ी. Then second में second ही आएगा, and that is he tripped and fell down and had to stay at home. Then the sixth one is Birbal had also taken the day off, and Akbar felt very dejected. Akbar thought he couldn't attend the court, so he'll conduct all his work from home only. And he thought that he'll call Birbal because he enjoyed Birbal's company. But that day, unfortunately, Birbal had also taken a day off, and Akbar felt very dejected. Dejected means sad. Then fourth में क्या आएगा? Then Akbar asked something to drink, and what happened? A fly fell into his juice. Drink करने के लिए उनके लिए क्या आया था? Juice. But before even Akbar could take one sip, what happened? A fly fell into his juice, and Akbar remained thirsty. Now let's see अब कौन सा sentence आएगा. उसके बाद he got the news that his wife's brother had met with an accident. तो fifth number पे 50 आएगा. His wife's brother met with an accident. His wife's brother met with an accident. His wife's brother met with an accident. Then the next one. In the evening, what did he did? Then after this will come the first one. Akbar quarreled with his wife. Akbar quarreled. What do you mean by quarrel? Fought, लड़ाई करना. लड़ाई करने को quarreled बोलते हैं. So Akbar quarreled with his wife. Akbar quarreled with his wife. Then the eighth one, and that is Emperor Akbar wondered कि उनका दिन आज इतना खराब कैसे हुआ. He wondered. The eighth one, कौन सा सेंटेंस आएगा? 8. The emperor wondered. The emperor wondered why. The emperor wondered why he had such a bad day. The emperor wondered कि why he had such a bad day, कि उनका इतना खराब दिन क्यों बीता. And the last, he was convinced that he had seen the inauspicious hawker's face in the morning. So the hawker was the main person behind all his trouble. So he was sure. So last में seventh वाला आएगा बेटा, and that is he sent the hawker. He sent the hawker to the gallows. So ये हमने 8 sentences को correct sequence में लिख दिया as they have occurred in the story. Fine. Now let's revise this. और बेटा आपको भी सेम इसी सीक्वेंस में नोटबुक में लिखना है. प्लीज टेली. फर्स्ट दी थर्ड वन, देन दी second one, then the sixth one, then the fourth one, then the fifth one, then the first one, then the eighth one and the seventh one. इसी sequence में आप copy में लिखेंगे बेटा. This is the correct sequence. Now I'll read out the sentences for you in the correct sequence. First में third. Emperor Akbar saw a hawker with a cart loaded with goods. And please write these spellings correctly. Copy these sentences correctly from the board and the book. You can also refer the book. Fine. Emperor Akbar ने सबसे पहले morning में किसको देखा? Hawker को, who was pushing his loaded cart. The cart was filled with goods. Then the second one. Second में second ही आएगा. He tripped and fell down and had to stay at home. And after completing his bath, what happened? Emperor Akbar, he tripped and fell down. And then he had pain in the leg and his ankle was swollen. So he had to held back to the rest. Second में he tripped and fell down and had to stay at home. Then third number पे आपका 6 sentence आएगा. Birbal had also taken the day off and Akbar felt very dejected. So what did Akbar think that day? He thought that he'll conduct all his work from home only. So he thought that he'll call his favorite courtier Birbal, whose company Akbar enjoyed a lot. But that day, unfortunately, Birbal had also taken a day off and could not be contacted. So these 6 sentences, Birbal had also taken the day off. Off means उस दिन उसने छुट्टी ली थी. And Akbar felt very dejected. And जब बीरबल भी नहीं आ पाया तो Akbar felt very dejected. Dejected means sad. Then what did Akbar ask? Something to drink. What happened then? Fourth one. A fly fell into his juice, so Akbar remained thirsty. And before Akbar could even drink one sip from the juice, what happened? A fly, एक मक्खी juice में गिर गई. So Akbar didn't drink that juice and he remained thirsty. Now the fifth one. Then after he couldn't drink the juice, he got the information that his wife's brother had met with an accident and his wife had to rush to see her brother. So his wife's brother met with an accident. So wife को भी जाना पड़ा. So और mood खराब हो गया. And then in the evening, what did Akbar do? अकबर क्वारल्ड विथ हिज वाइफ. शाम होते ही अकबर ने अपनी वाइफ से बहुत फाइट की. क्वारल करना मीन्स फाइट करना. एंड ही ऑल्सो थ्रू टेंट्रम्स एट हिज हेल्पर्स. और अपने जो हेल्पर्स हैं उनके ऊपर भी अकबर ने अपना गुस्सा दिखाया. ही शोड हिज बैड टेम्पर. देन द एट्थ वन. आप फर्स्ट वाले के बाद आप कौन सा लिखेंगे? एट्थ वन. The emperor wondered why he had such a bad day. Then, tired and upset, he thought कि now I'll go to sleep. So in the bed, he was wondering कि आज मेरा दिन इतना खराब क्यों गया. So then, what thoughts came to his head? Then he suddenly remembered that early in the morning he had seen the hawker's face, and he thought that the hawker's face was inauspicious. अकबर के दिमाग में क्या आया कि उन्होंने सुबह हॉकर को देखा था और हॉकर का फेस बहुत अशुभ था. इनऑस्पिशियस, अशुभ था. सो ही टोल्ड हिज मैन टू कैच द हॉकर एंड सेंटेंस हिम टू द गैलोज. सो द लास्ट वन, सेवेंथ वन, ही सेंड द हॉकर टू द गैलोज. गैलोज क्या? वो स्ट्रक्चर, वो जगह जहां पे फांसी पे लटकाया जाता है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? गैलोज. सो विद दिस वी हैव फिनिश्ड आवर exercise A of comprehension. Please check the sequence. Once again, I'm repeating, check your sequence, children. First, third sentence, then the second one, then the sixth one, then the fourth one, then the fifth one, then the first one, then the eighth one, and the seventh one. आपको इसी sequence में notebook में लिखना है. Fine? So I hope everybody has written this. सबने कर लिया? Okay. Fine. So now I'm going to erase this. I hope सब इसी sequence में लिखेंगे. There should be no confusion. Fine. I'll read this exercise once again for you so that कि कोई confusion नहीं हो. सबसे पहले बेटा हम third sentence लिखेंगे. And what is the third sentence? Emperor Akbar saw a hawker with a cart loaded with goods. सबसे पहले third sentence. Emperor Akbar saw a hawker with a cart loaded with goods. Then we write the second one. He tripped and fell down and had to stay at home. He tripped and fell down and had to stay at home. Second में second ही sentence. Then third में हम sixth वाला लिखेंगे. And that is, Birbal had also taken the day off. This is OFF, off. Fine. And Akbar felt very dejected. What do you mean by dejected? Sad. Then the fourth one. A fly fell into his juice, so Akbar remained thirsty. अकबर के जूस में फ्लाई गिर गई थी तो अकबर को थर्स्टी रहना पड़ा था. थर्स्टी मीन्स प्यासा. पीने को ही नहीं मिला तो प्यासा ही रह गया. थर्स्टी मीन्स प्यासा. देन दी फोर्थ वाले सेंटेंस में फोर्थ ही लिखना है. फिफ्थ वाले में फिफ्थ ही आएगा. एंड दैट इज, सॉरी, हाँ, फिफ्थ वाले में फिफ्थ ही आएगा. His wife's brother met with an accident. After that, Akbar got the news that his wife's brother met with an accident and his wife had to rush to see her brother. So, Akbar, his wife's brother met with an accident. तो अकबर का मूड खराब हो गया. Then, in the evening, what happened? फिर फिफ्थ वाले के बाद सिक्स्थ वाले में आप फर्स्ट सेंटेंस लिखेंगे. Akbar quarreled with his wife, है ना? Things started becoming bad in the evening, and what did Akbar do? He quarreled with his wife and he threw tantrums at his helpers. अकबर ने वाइफ के साथ क्वारल भी किया और अपने हेल्पर्स पे बैड टेम्पर डिस्प्ले किया, है ना? बहुत अपना गुस्से वाला मिजाज अपने हेल्पर्स पे दिखाया. देन सेवेंथ सेंटेंस में आपका एथ सेंटेंस आएगा. दैट इज द एम्परर वंडर्ड व्हाई ही हैड सच अ बैड डे, है ना? फिर एम्परर ने सोचा रात में कि उनका इतना खराब दिन कैसे गया था. देन सडनली ही वाज कन्विंस्ड, वो श्योर हो गए कि इन द मॉर्निंग ही हैड सीन द हॉकर्स इन ऑस्पिशियस फेस. सो ही थॉट कि फॉर ऑल हिज बैड डे, ऑल हिज ट्रबल, हु वाज रिस्पॉन्सिबल? द हॉकर. सो ही टोल्ड हिज मैन to catch hold of the hawker and sentence him to death. That is, he sent the hawker to the gallows. और आपका 8th में कौन सा सेंटेंस आएगा? 7th वाला. He sent the hawker to the gallows. What do you mean by gallows? Gallows is a structure जहां पे वो जगह जहां पे लोगों को फांसी पे लटकाया जाता है. So with this we have finished exercise A. Children, please write this exercise in the same sequence as I have written on the board. So that's all for today, students. Please do read the lesson at least 2 times so that when I start with exercise B in my next video, you'll be easily understanding the answers. That's all for today. Thank you, students. Good day ahead.